Recording.
Well, we just stopped back to pick up our bikes. Got my new one, the gray one. Still a 18 fat boy with a 414 or 114 engine in it. Brenda got new handlebars in hers, so it's a little more comfortable for her. We're heading back. Still got to bring hers out to get tires. You got the flashing lights in the back?
Yeah. Red light. Yeah, I can't see nothing behind me.
I figured that. See these handlebars here? They can go, well, I can put the old ones up there and they'll be up above.
That's probably why we see them having two.
Yeah, because you can't see out of those.
Yeah, I can't see shit. Still can't see nothing. Nothing. Alright, settle down.
Got a little more power than the old one. Got to find a pothole to hit. No?
No. I feel like I'm riding in the dark.
Well, you shouldn't have to pass anybody, so you should be clear. And just remind me, and I'll try to keep an eye out for behind you.
Yeah, I can't see where my mom's at or not.
Oh, she's back there a ways.
These new handle grips are pretty nice.
Do you like them?
Uh-huh.
You look badass in it.
You're badass.
So. I guess I like the color. So. See if I pop a willy.
No.
I forgot to check the tires to see if they were the new ones or the Michelin ones, but
Might just make this
what?
ride a lot. It feels like it's a different ride.
Well, it will. That's why I wanted you to ride around the parking lot a little bit.
I'm fine. I like it much better.
It feels like they got mine a little farther forward than I had before. You pig. You filming?
No.
Why?
Because I never thought about him.
Well, think about it.
I don't know if I can get it on now.
Well, once you get going, then you reach up and grab it. My skull's loose.
Which one? This
So-
one?
Yeah, the top one. Hit it again. Should say recording.
No SD card.
There's one in there, you gotta squeeze the bottom. It's alright, don't worry about it.
I took pictures or something.
Did
There, I
you?
got it.
Okay.
I don't know what I took a picture of.
I don't know. We'll find out when we get home. It ain't too cool, I don't think. Cold. I'm surprised they got the medallion for the back fender.
I know.
Yeah, I know. Nice. Nice to be back on my fat boy. The old one was too white. BLT will be happy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice and clean. Wonder how long you'll keep it that way. Your feet reach better now with the longer hills.
Yeah. Well, I reached through this seat anyway. How much gas you have?
I got 187 to reserve, so almost 3/4 of a tank.
I think they would fill it up.
You would have thought.
Jeez.
But I'm happy with the charging thing.
Charging thing.
The jump box. That's a couple $100 right there. We never have to worry about the battery, going dead. I've been looking at them, but I just can't see spending that kind of money right now.